Foundry is intended for production of castings from any alloys. And the technological processes of obtaining a part include, first of all, the manufacture of a mold pattern as a part of prototype. The bulk of mold patterns are made of wood, based on the conventional technology. But there are patterns that cannot be made using the conventional technology. For a developed surface, a lot of detachable parts are required. All of this significantly affects the accuracy of manufacturing of the part itself, because the more components, the lower the accuracy of the resulting part. For these purposes, we have chosen the BigRep 1 3D printer. Having purchased the printer, we managed to integrate it into the technological process. The critical and complex part includes printing with the printer that is making a combined pattern. After printing, the pattern is puttied and sandpapered to obtain a smoother surface. Since the production of only mold patterns was initially considered, the critical factor was the size of the working chamber of the printer and the printing speed, in order to reduce the pattern production time. Using the printer makes it possible for us to do things that previously we could not do with the conventional technology. It is thanks to 3D printing.